a lot of times. Just to say what we celebrate today, the feast of Professor James Alberoni. As I said in the introduction, this is a centenary of the biblical apostolate. The founder had in mind. Was so passionate about the Bible apostolate to read, to print the Bible and distribute. Today, as a Pauline family, we are proud to say we have many Catholic editions of Bible in English. A fast-moving Bible, not only in India, it also has one in Nigeria and Britain and Philippines. And it has made a big movement because it is of the reflection that is of Indian theologians.